Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick Shopify tutorial, I am going to show you how to center your page title on any Shopify page, whether it's your About Us, contact or any custom page. This will help give your store a cleaner and more professional look. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into it. So first of all, you just need to visit on Shopify platform, and if you already have an account, then you will redirect to the dashboard panel, and in here you will get these options under the sales channel. You just need to click over here. In fact, once you click over here, it will redirect you to the front end design. Here you can see this is our design. If I click over here this catalog, you can see that our title is not into the center. So our main goal in this video is to how we can get the title into a center. So as usual, you can see in the contact similar. So in this video I am going to give you the simplest way to do or fix this problem. You just need to click over here into the inspect. Once you click over here inspect, then here you just need to do, like, first of all, let me tell you, I'm going to add some custom CSS on this Shopify option, or let's go and let's click on customize theme. Because of choosing this customized CSS, let me give you the example. Like when I will click over here we don't have any option over that panel to edit this one. So just click over this one, and now if I click on this theme setting, you can see we don't have any options to do changes over that contact. So how we can do it now? There is only one way to fix this problem, that is implementing custom CSS over that place. So how we can do it? You just need to click on this inspect. Once you click over here, then here you just need to select this one, and now you can see we have couple of options over that panel. So I'm going to click on this plus button, and I am going to click on text alignment, and you can see it has, or it becomes center. So the process is really simple. Now you just need to copy this whole CSS for you, then come back to your custom CSS, and you just need to apply it here. And before this, you just need to add an port, that is this options, and let's save it. And now we are going to change it over here, so because it will be enable. Let's add it, and let's delete something because save this one. So now we are allowed to save it. Let's see that our custom code has been applied or not in our page. Just click on this. No, it has not. So we just need to do something further to fix this problem. So we need to find out the solution. So let's click and let's implement the same text alignment with center, and let's copy it. If this code does not apply on it, so we have another way to apply it. We will come back to our online store and then click on themes, and you will get the options to theme here. Just click on three dot, and here you can see we have these options called edit code. Just choose this one. Once you choose this one, then it will redirect you to this panel, and in this filter file you just need to search it base, and you will get this base.css, and in this panel you need to apply your code into the bottom. So I'm going to apply this, and let's click on save. And now let's check this out, is it really apply or not? And eventually you can see our code has been perfectly applied for this panel. And if you want to apply it for this one, you can do it similarly. Just follow this process and apply it similar way. Just click this one and text alignment. Always remember this will be text align, and you just need to choose this center panel. And here you just need to copy this one and apply this one. Let's copy it and apply it here, and let's save it. And now we will check this out. So it is not applied, so we need to add this important quote and now let's save it. So we need to be try different kind of a method to apply it on here. So here you can see it has been done. So it's working on this panel, and let's go to the contact. Again, this working. So I hope you understand how easy the process was, but right now I'm going to give you a difficult way to do this work. So first of all, you in the theme section click on the action button on your current theme. Here you can come on your theme panel, just go over here and theme panel, and this three dot you just need to be click on, and here you just need to click on edit code. Once you click over here, then under the template or section folder, you just need to find a page which called page.liquid, or you can find out main page.liquid or page template liquid depending on your theme. So I'm going to search here liquid, or you just search for page dot. Here you can see we have page.liquid options. You just need to open that file. Once you open that, you just need to add CSS to center the title. Now we will add a small piece of code to the center the title. So here you just need to add some title over here. So I'm going to add a code on this page. So here I am going to apply this one in after this. As you can see, let's save it and let's refresh it. Okay, first of all, you can see that we add h1 class h1. So now wrap that line into a div and or add inline stuff, whatever you want. So this way you can easily like add CSS to your theme. If you are rather use CSS file, you can go to the asset folder, then open base.css, and you just need to implement some CSS over here, and this is a cleaner and lets you manage styling separately on HTML. So this is the difficult way. Sometimes it will give you so much difficulties, so I will tell you or told you to avoid this one. Always I will tell you, like, this is my suggestion to avoid this last way. Just try your first way, the CSS options. It will much simpler than compared to any kind of thing. So after completing, you just need to preview it. It is really easy to preview. So let's wrap up the video over here, and that's how you center, like you can center your page title in Shopify. It is super simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And for more Shopify customized tips, you can touch the bell icon and drop a comment if you want help with the centering other elements like buttons or images. See you in the next video.